Human activities. Hello everyone, today I want to talk about how some of our human activities are harming the world. The Earth is a beautiful planet that provides us with everything we need. From fresh air, clean water, to food and also shelter. But sadly, many of the things humans do are damaging nature and putting our future at risk. In this presentation, I'll focus on three major harmful activities. 1. Deforestation. 2. Agriculture. 3. And illegal hunting. These activities are all connected and they all cause serious problems for the environment and for us as human beings. Deforestation. One of the most harmful activities we do is deforestation. Cutting down trees and clearing forests. Forests are called the lungs of Earth because they produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide. But when humans cut down large areas of forest for timber or land, the results are devastating. Deforestation destroys the habitats of animals, leading to loss of biodiversity. It also makes climate change worse because fewer trees are left to absorb carbon dioxide. For example, the Amazon rainforest has lost about 20% of its size due to human activities. And if this continues, it could reach a point where it can no longer recover. Without forests, the soil becomes weak, erodes, and more easily, causing floods and landslide. Communities that depend on forests for food, medicine, and shelter also suffer. So, deforestation doesn't just harm trees, it harms the entire balance of life on Earth. Agriculture. Agriculture is necessary to feed the growing human population, but the way we practice it can harm the world. Large-scale farming often requires clearing forests, which links back to deforestation. Farmers also use chemical fertilizers and pesticides that pollute the soil and water. Another problem is overuse of land. When land is farmed too much without giving it time to recover, the soil becomes poor and loses its nutrients. This makes it hard to grow crops in the future, leading to food insecurity. Livestock farming, especially cattle, also produce a lot of methane gas, a greenhouse gas that contributes to global warming. In fact, agriculture is responsible for 1/4 of global warming greenhouse gas emission. This shows while agriculture is important for survival, unsustainable farming practices harm the planet. We need more eco-friendly methods like organic farming, crop rotation, and reducing food waste. Illegal hunting, another human activity that greatly harms the world. Illegal hunting, also known as poaching. This happens when people hunt animals without permission, often for their fur, horn, tusk, or meat. Illegal hunting has pushed many species to the brink of extinction. For example, elephants are killed for their ivory, tigers for their skins, and pangolins for their scales. This not only reduces animals' population, but also disrupts an entire ecosystem of animals and plants. When a species disappears, the food chain breaks. For example, if predators are hunted, prey animals may overpopulate and damage vegetation. On the other hand, if prey are hunted, predators may starve. Illegal hunting also threatens biodiversity, which is vital for keeping our ecosystem healthy and stable. Once a species is gone, it is gone forever. We cannot bring it back. In conclusion, deforestation, unsustainable agriculture, and illegal hunting are three human activities that are seriously harming the world. They destroy forests, damage the soil, and wipe out animals. But the future is still in our hands. We must remember that Earth does not belong only to us, it is also home to plants, animals, and future generations. And if we take care of it, it will take care of us. Thank you.